You're thinking about getting into 3D printing. Lots of people that I find that know about me getting into it are like, oh, that's expensive. The crazy thing is it's not that expensive. You can get into 3D printing for less than $300, and I'm going to show you your two best options. This channel is focused around building drones and designing drones and stuff like that, and that's how I got into 3D printing. But it can be used for all sorts of things. You can start messing around, designing stuff. My daughter, her thing here broke, and she's like, don't worry, Dad's smart, he can fix it. So now I designed like a little thing that could go here, and I designed a little thing to fix her thing. My motorcycle needs footrests, so I made these footrests. I just started about a year ago, but I love it. I think you'd love it too. You'll have to learn how to design 3D stuff, or you can just get a 3D printer and start printing things off Thingiverse. Thingiverse is a site full of objects, toys, accessories, and things that you can just print for yourself off the internet. This is my setup right now. I went with the cheaper of the options. The most popular 3D printer to this day is the Ender 3. It's just everything has, they're the most popular. Aquila came out with a clone of the Ender 3 for a really good value. I think I got it for around $200, which is what it's selling for right now on because it's Black Friday. You might be seeing this when it's not Black Friday, but right now this is $200 for Black Friday. The thing was that it came with an extruder, and that's the part that does stuff. And it broke. So then I upgraded it with this piece called the Sprite Pro, and this is a direct extruder, which is better than the one that it had. I love it. So this whole setup, around $200 for this, a little bit over $100 for this, and then a auto leveler, which cost another like $50 or something. Now, the other thing that happens with these guys that is they have these wheels where you're always adjusting on springs, and you're constantly trying to get this bed leveled. That's probably the thing that you'll be doing the most. That can be kind of annoying in the beginning, is trying to keep your bed level flat, because if it's not flat, you're not going to get these nice prints that stick. They'll not stick onto the board, and you'll have problems. So I ended up 3D printing these TPU spacers. They're at the right height where they squeeze a bit, and it's just the right height, so I don't have to constantly readjust it from the springs going out of whack. But fortunately for you, you can skip that altogether. You're doing all the research to find what you think is the best 3D printer, or just wanting to start. I already drove myself nuts. I'm insane. I have crazy ADD, and before I buy anything, I spend weeks looking and researching and trying to find what is the best one, what's the best value, what are all the things that it does and everything. So I already did that for you, and now you can just trust me and get this, because this is exactly what I would get. I'm going to give you the cheapest option, and I'm going to give you the best option. So there's two options for you, but really, to me, I think there's only one, and I'll show you why at the computer, okay? Let's go do that. Okay, so there's going to be links in the description below. If you could please use them when you buy this, it will cost you no more. Part of the Amazon affiliate program. So if you buy using those links, or buy anything, if you click that link and do all your Black Friday shopping, whenever you want to buy something expensive, you come back to this video, click my link, and then buy it. It helps me out a bit. So if you could do that, that would be amazing. It costs you no more. And I'm helping you, make the best choice. Help me out a bit. Smash the like button. At least it helps a lot. Also, you can join my Patreon for only $1. If everyone just joined for $1, it would make a huge difference. One day I want to have a free hair salon in Toronto. If I get 3,000 people to give me $1, I'll make a free hair salon in Toronto. So you could help out with that if you wanted to too. Yeah, there's my little shameless plug. Let's take a look. So this is the one that I bought. It was $200 Black Friday. I think I paid $250. It was like $300 on sale for $250. So you're getting a great deal. It's going to work and everything. But the thing was that the springs are annoying. You do still have to build it, and there's videos of people on YouTube building it, so you can build it too. You don't really get it like that. You have to build it. It's the part that kind of will eventually go on it. And when that goes, then this is the part that I would get. It's $100. So it's like, look at this. If you were to buy this for $200 and then go and buy this for $109, you're spending $308. To me, forget that and just buy this. It says that it only takes 3 steps to complete complete the assemble process. So it only takes 20 minutes from unpackaging to the first printing. If it's that easy, that makes it even easier. The other one took me like 3 hours, I think, to build. And that's also, it was my first time. I know there's people that can build it probably in 20, 30 minutes, but I followed all those instructions. It took me a few hours to get done. The thing that's amazing with this one is for $269, you're getting it from the Reality is the one that made the original 3D printer that everyone copied. And now you're getting from them their newest version. It is the Creality Ender 3 V3 SE 3D printer. And this one already has a direct drive. This type of extruder is like that upgraded extruder, so it's already coming with the better one. And it has built in the part that I added to the other one, so it measures everything perfectly. And then if you look at the build plate here, just like I kind of modified mine so that it doesn't have springs, this one doesn't have springs either. It basically just kind of plug and play, does everything for you really nice and easily. This is modern technology, right? So for that extra $70, you're not going to have to replace that extruder when it dies, which it will. And you're going to have everything that just works super easy for you. Buy it, put it together, and start printing stuff. This channel, I don't really ton about, 3D printing and stuff. It's mostly a drone channel. I've used now a 3D printer so much. I think that it really harmonizes. If you're into FPV and you want a 3D printer to start messing around with stuff, I think this is the best way to do it. And if you're just looking for 3D printer and found me by accident, hello, this is my drone channel. We build and fly drones that have a camera on video transmitter headset, and then these drones while seeing everything that the drone sees in our eyes. It's a really cool hobby, and I will put up actually the beginner's playlist for you so that you can just take a look around and see if you find that interesting. I kind of found it by accident, and it's a hobby that I really enjoy. You might too, and I hope that helped you. And just smash the like button. Thanks.